specifically House Bill 1775, which bans public schools from teaching critical race theory.
That was Governor Stitt on House Bill 1775 back in 2021.
We can and should teach this history without labeling a young child as an oppressor or requiring he or she feel guilt or shame based on their race or sex.
That bill restricted the teaching of certain critical race theories in public schools, and it also prohibits public school teachers from teaching specific topics on race and sex. This was the response from an OKC PS board member back in 2021.
To say that it is not right for white students to feel like that they should be held responsible for the oppression that black people and others have felt because of them. But then let's talk about the generational wealth off of the backs of my people. Let's talk about that.
This week, the Legal Defense Fund and the Southern Poverty Law Center filed an amicus brief supporting an ongoing legal challenge to HB 1775.
We wanted to just take the opportunity to highlight why it's important for students to retain their right to receive information free from political censorship.
The Legal Defense Fund says students and educators have a First Amendment right to free expression and to receive historical information in the classroom. And they argue this law goes too far.
What happens is that students then aren't getting an accurate history of the role of race throughout our society.
They also argue education outcomes would improve if HB 1775 is reversed.
Research shows that students of all races benefit from receiving information about race and about racial history in the classroom.
It's not clear when the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals will make a ruling on the legal challenge. In Oklahoma City, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.